Alright. Now what the hell? Okay. What the fuck is going on there, man? What is that? There's another one over there. What the hell is going on here? Oh, that is weird. Trying to figure out what those are in the sky, Joe. Oh, blinking out. Oh, there's one over there still. What the hell is going on? What the hell are these, man? The drones are nothing. You're coming from the south and heading to the... If you're coming from the southwest and going northeast. That is trippy. What is going on here? Now it's just kind of hovering in one spot, and we got a good wind clip going here too. Oh, it's moving again now. But it's pretty windy out here. Not super windy, but it's blowing. Oh, that is weird. What in the hell are they? That one's really going away. It's just going straight away from us there. The one on the left, though. It's going to get up. I still see it, but it doesn't show up on the screen anymore. That's a weird one. Well, I don't know what the hell that is. Well, that's crazy. I'm freezing. I'm going to see if anybody else is seeing this.